Action.
Sam, good to see you again.
Good to see you too, Garo.
Sam Junior. Junior. Hi, Sam, good to see you again.
Massimo?
Junior.
Massimo?
Max.
Maximo.
Max. Let's go. Max. Okay. Max.
Hi, I'm Malcolm, the production
Oh,
manager.
sorry, Malcolm. Yeah.
Nobody ever wants to talk to me. I have no idea why.
Even though you're the most important
Jeez,
person,
I know.
Malcolm.
Easy now.
I'm going to be the decision maker in this thing, you know. So
Okay, so we got some business to talk about.
Absolutely. Great. We're going to do business. Good to hear that.
Yeah, we'll see.
So, again, first thank for the introduction last time. I was really impressed by your company, by the way. You know, the way how you've set it up. You started back in 2005. You know, the first couple of years, you've definitely gone through a tough time. 2008 was a tough one. You survived that one, amazingly good. I know some others here in the region who didn't make the cut, right? So you guys did an amazing, good job. So good for that, right? That's what we discussed.
Yeah,
right?
right.
Yeah, was good. Was good.
No habla español. Tell him I don't speak Spanish. Speak English.
He says he wants to make some more investments, so that's good. Yeah, he's really good. So thank you for that, Sam. Good to hear. Good to hear. All right, so you know, we did make some analysis about about what's going on, and the fact that you want to grow your business is, and you want to do this on a couple points, right? Obviously, you want to maintain your customer base, your current customer base, but you also want to have more new customers and trying to find a way how doing that, right?
Right.
And one of your ideas was variable data, one-to-one marketing was one of your ideas.
That's Junior's idea.
One-to-junior marketing.
Absolutely, you're good at it. Again, you explained a little bit. Can you tell us a little bit more about that? We believe we may have a solution for that, but I just want to know what your needs are.
Like vacation postcards, you know, sending those out. Maybe creating some business cards for bringing in some revenue from our existing clients. You know, that type of thing.
We can go looking for new customers with that idea as well.
Right. So which way do you do this kind of business? How do you produce this kind of products?
We're not really in that. Yeah, we're not really in
We
that
have
space.
to, we have
Okay.
to refuse right
Just
now when
your-
somebody comes and asks us, because we don't have the expertise or the equipment or the software to do that. So
Right.
that's where we're at
Right.
now. We're looking
No,
to go in
fair,
that direction.
Right. Okay. So, and besides that, it's also the automation of not only, I would say, on the production side, but also on the business side. It's a challenge for you today, right?
Our invoicing is terrible.
Right.
You know, Malcolm is doing a great job in production, but we need to reduce touches there as much as we can.
Right.
But in the business side, we'd like to be on a 30-day net, and we're probably 60 to 90 days, wouldn't you say, Junior?
And I'm not real good at math, remember that?
That's right, but that is about right, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
All right.
Some customers never pay us.
Yeah, but we don't want them back.
You need to get rid of those customers, by the way. And actually, we will come back with a system, and we're going to talk about it later, which actually helps you with that. You know, to identify which customers are profitable and which are not, because that's a very, very good thing to know nowadays, right?
Absolutely.
All right. So another question we identified is you get several different color engines. Do they all generate the same quality? Is there any variance between those
Heck
controllers?
no, I'm always tweaking the color. Always tweaking the color on these devices.
And didn't you say on that Rico, you can't even tweak the color on that?
Well, yeah, that one requires a little kick in the side.
You
there
said it
to
doesn't
get
have a
going.
fire on it?
Something nice. It's got the GW server. I have no idea how to make that thing run. I don't think it even
We need
knows
it, to be
anything
honest.
about
That's
We're
a
doing
challenge.
crayon touch-ups on
Yeah.
this.
Right. Okay. All right. Yeah, fair.
Yeah, horrible thing.
We're going to help you, by the way, with that challenge.
Good,
Definitely.
excellent.
That's
Yeah.
done deal. Take that one. So I don't know if you know, but you got this micropress in place, right? That the days you bought a micropress must have been. You must have had a very good reason for doing so.
Well, we're still doing a lot of those training manuals.
Right.
And that's the bulk of the business on that.
Really,
On
you make use of the integration between black and white and color again at the end.
We had that idea, but we never got off the ground with it.
Right.
It just never
That's
happened.
kind of a sexy thing to talk about, but we had a hard time making it work.
We tried it, just never got it happening.
By the way, I think you should have gotten that done. You're fired.
I'm done.
Go send Jack. Send Jack back here.
I think we need.
Jack, congratulations on your promotion. You're now.
Hi, Jack. How you doing?
Yeah,
Good to see you again.
Hi guys, how are you?
We just had a conversation with Malcolm. He Sam just told us also that, you know, with MicroPress, he was not really good. You know, things happen nowadays.
Yeah.
It's tough climbing, so it's good you're back in business, Jack.
Yeah, well, you know, the MicroPress is still a great product, and we'd like to keep it in mind.
I mean, you know, we can always keep, you know, it's free advice, so make sure you keep it, right? All right, so we've done this, you know, we've done this inventory about your needs and what you're looking for. So this is my proposal, right? You've got two challenges coming up. Keeping your current customers, as well trying to grow your business with new customers, right? So a way how to do that is trying to get more involved in your customer's business, right? So we've got an idea about, you know, helping you with a web-to-print system, meaning they are able to submit their jobs digital 24/7 to yourself, but they also have the possibility to load their files on their own site, which is owned by yourself. That way, you actually own the customer, but also his data. Does that make sense?
Yeah, we have a website already.
Right.
You know, is this gonna help us with, we were talking about that one-to-one marketing,
Oh,
is
absolutely.
there something this is gonna help us with that?
So I'm going to build on that.
Oh, okay,
The
I'm sorry.
fact that that we talk with EFI is actually not a huge advantage for yourself. And I'm going to talk about integration later on. I'm not going to talk about individual solutions. No, I'm going to talk about an end-to-end workflow which integrates among each other, right? Which really integrates to each other. What you would like to see at the end of the day is an automated workflow. Job comes in, you don't want to touch it anymore, hardly any touch points. At the end of the day, you get your print, right? And by having more jobs coming in every day, you know, you would love to have as less touch points as possible.
But I need to wind it up a little bit here.
Right. You want to wind up? All right. So 1 minute
1 or
left.
2 minutes.
Right. Okay. So this will come down to web to print, and in this web to print, we make sure you have variable data. Two ways how to do that. One-to-one, meaning a business card, but also you can do batch variable data, meaning you upload 1,000 files, 1,000 names, and you can run 1,000 individual business cards in one shot.
All on the same run.
All in the same run, right?
That work, Jack?
That's great.
That sounds very
How about-
good.
Now, what about our color management? Is there anything that we can do to make our color look better?
Yeah, I understood you have different color engines, and I think that it's very important for you to get very consistent in the market and have a high quality to be proposed to your customers. And I think it's very important to have the different engines working the same way. So when you produce for different engines, you need to have the same colors from all the engines, because I think that the same product produced by different printers may be so tough to be presented to customers. And so we have the right solution. We have a solution called Color Profiler Suites that help you creating the correct output profiles and link the profile between each other to get the same color between the different printers. So that's very important because you can have a production system working the same way, no matter which the printers are.
Okay. And also, are we gonna have one workflow to manage all of our devices?
So this is, I just told you that you will get more and more jobs, right? So you want to have everything automated on the business side. So I would advise us to go for a product, an MES system, which is called PrintSmith, forget the name again, but it's very essential for you. It has, you know, partly CRM in there. It makes sure you get, you know, some stock levels. You get insight in your stock levels. You get insight, you know, in your accounts and receivables. All that information is available for you on demand, right? So it really helps drive it. It's integrated, again, with web to print and your hardware on the back end.
So are we gonna have one workflow for
There you go.
all of our devices?
There you go.
What was that product that we heard about, Fire Central?
Fire Central.
Fire Central? So, all right, so here's what I think I hear. I think I hear you saying that the jobs are gonna come from our customer through digital storefront. They may be variable or they may not be. They're gonna flow directly through to this management system, Smith, right? You said?
Correct.
And then that can hand that off directly to Fire Central that could manage the jobs in front of.
There you go.
So, Jack, you've been in production with us for the whole time we've been here. Does that sound like a,
Yeah, I think it's a viable solution. You're covering color management, you're covering, you know, the job flow, our invoicing is gonna be improved. And the one thing that really gets me is our web presence really makes us look like, right now, makes us look like a little company. I mean, we can make that look like we're somebody bigger, like the big boys.
that's a great idea. You know what, Gerard, you've given us a lot of great information. Let us think about this just a little bit. Tell you what, come back tomorrow at 5 o'clock and bring a proposal with numbers, and let's see if we can.
I got the
strike a
numbers
deal.
right now with me. That's the good news. We've been prepared. I can tell you right now, your current cost will be 3,000 euros per month. which is approximately $3,800, your savings would be $5,000. It's a done deal, Sam.
And I like those numbers.
Let's validate the
like
numbers,
those
Junior,
Yeah.
and if the numbers work out,
He just fell at the numbers.
You
He
got a
fell at the
deal.
numbers, right? He just fell at the numbers. So it's a done deal. All right. Thank you for your, you said.
Thanks, guys.
That was good talking, thank you.